You know, it's pretty close. Right now? I don't got no fishing poles. Johnny Boston. Chicken died, man. Hey JJ, do you know how to operate his equipment while he's incapacitated? Because you could charge these up with a little battery, you know? You could charge these with a battery and you could just be like totally fucking grooving on it with the stream. You need to turn on a generator, plug in freaking cords and get the streams going. You got like 3 streams.
So freaking loud.
I know it like blows your fucking ears back. He's not gonna wake up, JJ. We gotta pull him in. I don't think he's waking up, brother.
Call 911. Did y'all already call the cops?
Let's go ahead and move him in though.
Call the cops. Let's go to Jack in the Box real quick.
Brother, we gotta get in the RV, okay?
We can take him to Jack in the Box.
Brother. Chicken.
Jacob Zone's downloading porn off your phone.
Brother. Wake up, chicken!
Jacob Zone's downloading porn off your phone.
Chicken Andy. Is he breathing?
Hook his shit up to it.
What the fuck, dude?
How do you download all the porn off these phones?
He's breathing.
Yeah.
Okay,
Did I?
he's snoring. That's good. What's up, Tom?
Alright, here's this cord. Alright,
Wake
so
up, wake up, wake up,
so I can hook this cord up.
We're gonna have to
What's
move
up?
him. We're gonna
This.
go to the RV.
wake up.
Chicken, hey! Yo!
Alright.
Brother, let's move you into the RV, okay? Let's get you in the RV. Let's get you to sleep in the RV, brother. I know you want to sleep.
Wake up, wake
Come on,
up.
brother. Let's get you in the bed, bro. You want to go to sleep? We gotta move him. Come on, DJ. We gotta really move him, bro.
Ah, just chill.
You
He'll
don't
be
let him?
alright. Yeah.
Oh, you don't care?
I don't care.
Oh,
You're
okay,
good. Well, that's what I'm saying. We'll take his ass to Jack in the
Oh,
back.
dude, if he doesn't care, bro, shut the door then. Let him fucking sleep. What the fuck?
Yeah, fuck it. Good pepper spray. Pepper spray chicken. Pepper spray a little bit. Wake up, motherfucker. Wake up. Wake up, motherfucker. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. It stinks like mice in here over there. Fucking nose is burning now. Fuck. Just spray this guy on your skin. The next one. Whoa. Watch out! Fuck, I didn't know it was open. It's fucking pepper spray, dude. Holy shit. He actually gave me $2.90. Look, dude, I got an air horn for $2 on there. Okay, that was $2 or two.
Yes, sir!
$2. Oh, to the loser. It worked, dude. That was like instantaneous, bro. It worked. Somebody donated. It's raining. I gotta spray them now. Okay, 20 is a little bitty squirt. That's it. Okay, $20. There it goes. $20. It's raining. What the fuck is wrong with this? Holy shit. Holy shit. Is that waking up? Somebody leaked over that fucking thing just there. Chicken. 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 Here, look. Chicken, we're going to take you into the RV by your hands and your legs, your head. I got it. Don't worry. I got it. Just a little string. Yeah, you hold the string. I got it.
What's up, guys? Stop chatting.
Sleepy slow.
You put you in there too. You got it.
So